In this video, I will show you exactly how to achieve a professional depth of field effect using Adobe Express. Whether you are creating a social media post or a professional presentation, blurring your background helps your subject pop and gives your design a polished look. To get started, open your project and take a look at the interface. Your first step is to navigate over to the right side of the screen where the layer stack is located. You will see all the elements of your design listed there. Go ahead and click on the very bottom photo layer, which is typically your background image. Once you have that selected, move your attention to the Properties panel on the left side of the screen. Look for the button labeled Adjust, and click it to reveal more fine-tuning options. Within this menu, you will find several sliders for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Your goal is to find the slider labeled Blur. To apply the effect, simply click and drag this slider to the right. As you move it, you will see the backdrop begin to soften and lose its sharp edges. You can experiment with the intensity, perhaps a light blur for a subtle touch, or a heavy blur for a more abstract and artistic feel. This simple adjustment draws the eye directly to your foreground elements and makes your text much easier to read. It transforms a busy photo